Nakaliang jongka Voice of the People Party Rambrai Jerngam constituency ha ka jingalam iba Robert Walang ibade i organizing secretary ka Rambrai Jerngam constituency ha ringkat ka jingadon lang i Dr. Daniel Marwen iba Boni Roy Lingdo iba Mayan Nongput kumjuk ru ha ka jingadon lang kiwe ru kiri orang ba ka parti menta ka sengi ka arpusau tarik Jun arhajar arpusan ka penpau ya ka jing sngo Pyrshah jur halor ka Jingthmu ka sorkar ban ailat ban penyat syaprang ya ka Khulsi project jongka Assam banden ya kawa kri kaban kta ya kumba arpu arteli kishnong kentup ya ka Meghalaya bat Assam kat kum ka statement jong Chief Minister haki North East News Channel haka artarik ujun menta usnem Ipak ka kerwa ka basyay siya ka sarkar kumjo ya Chief Minister ka jala Ukonrat Sangma bat Chief Minister ka Assam Uhimanta Biswa Sharma bakim day ban Shimrai Klumar halor kani ka kam ban kani kenthet ya ka hok bat ka jingsngo upat ba ka than khaput Meghalaya Assam namar na kalyang jongi nginyeng hasinda upat ba watla day ban poi haunu no podru namar kani ka project kan umpenyo nong AA ya ka jala jongi henry ka day tang ka jing pinsngo bha ya ka sarkar Assam laong ka VPP Rambrai kumba kalong menta le ase ka jing slam ban khot tender ya ka jing pentre ya ka Surok National Highway na nong ston hadu Chaigang phase 2 kala bandan ke aka Halindet jongkani na kalyang jongi khamin chuang ila Pyrshah ban wat jing tip halor kani na ki board district henry hadu menta ngimpat yo jing penshai AA kala ong shu kabakhat du kalong ba kini ki arteli ki sarkar sngo bhasange no shisendon ya ka Jingthmu ban yat shaprang ya kani ka project namar dalele ngin ailat bakan urlong namar kani ka project kan pen kelap hetwer ya ki pat ba parasnam jongi ki baki jaka puta jongki kin sasha taplub ha ka
So nakaliang jongi ka Voice of the People Party Rambrai Jerngam constituency menta kasingi ikwa ya kaban keran kendet ha kabiade bat kawai naki mat ki bakta ya pajba jong Rambrai Jerngam constituency khamtam ni ki pajba ha ki chakar khaput kata ha kabiade bat ka Jingthmu jong sarkar Assam ban pentre ya ka way ka project kabadi ka Khulsi dam project ya kaba nakaliang Chief Minister jong ka Meghalaya haka attarik ujun jong new snam gomta aya ka statement haka way na media ki news channel jong ka North East media akaba lokal saya ba ai ke jing trilang bat ke Jingthmu jong sarkar bandan ya ka wakri te nakaliang ke jongi ipau ya ga jingso Pyrshah jur ha ka baiti bat kani ga Jingthmu jong sarkar khamtam nakaliang Chief Minister jongi yang jongi ni puak ba nakaliang kini ki arbut ki Chief Minister kinsim rai bakla ha ka baiti bat kani ka project amar kani ka project kan kata sikade e ki pajba nong sunong jong te ka than namar ba ni suthu ba lada kindan ya kate ka wakri kan kata iki jakat kita bat kini nong sunong jong iki kelap hardware na kate ka jakat kata kate ka wai masa ka wai kani ka project kanong penmentai ya ka state ka jongi mereka bang yo i kalong tamban pensong ba ya ka sarkar Assam di bat lesai nila panong ba kani ka project kan penyo jing mentai sibun ya ka Assam om ya ka jala ka jongi te sakawai ru kalong ba hadu benta kajing pentre ya ka Surok National Highway na nong stoi sa Shaikau hadu benta ka di project kadang sakut ha ka baide bat ka jingkhat tender ya ka phase 2 te kalong ka ini ko penungok yang ni bat la nakaliang ni la Pyrshah ban ya kendu bat ka district administration man wat jingtip halor ka ni ka jing penslam dan we hadu utangi patio jing syai tidak ka jing ni jong ni ka statement na yang jong Chief Minister ni suthu ba kadon ka halundet halor ka ni ka mentang te kani ka kruo ka basai ka bang impha sa sarkar sarkar Meghalaya bat ka sarkar Assam ba nakaliang jong ni ninjang senda jong pajpa jong kati ka dong than bat jong konstitusi ba away bangino mai la le ya kani ka project bakan ya chaprang bakan urlong in yai budin bat in le Bala da kiboi kila pengkap papa ya kabang inamai la ya kani ke project. I think the government intention to allow the Khulsi Dam project of Assam to proceed as per the statement of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya on 2nd June this year on Northeast Media. From our side and on behalf of the people of Rambrai constituency, we send a very clear message to the government and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, and the Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma, not to take any decision on the right and the feelings of people of the Pyrshah area, Meghalaya, border with Assam. For on our side, we will stand with them, we will fight with them, no matter what, nor shall it reach any limit. Because we clearly understood that this project will not benefit ourselves, but it will only please the government of Assam. As of now, maybe the delay in the tender for the construction of the national highway route from Nongstein to Saigon Phase 2, maybe it have something behind this plan by these two governments.